sa BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Of course, the very iconic ship na was deployed for 5 months sa Palawan at isang gabi ay binangga sila ng Chinese Coast Guard. Very heroic people on board. It's very iconic and happy to be here na dito natin gagawin yung mga promotions because of what this and the crew went through. Meron din tayo mga special friends and family na darating din, and we're here to celebrate and give appreciation to the Philippine Coast Guard at of course kay Senator Robin Padilla for pushing this promotion. You know, na-recognize niya yung acts natin during nung Typhoon Karina. Very thankful for that. But more than anything, it's just gonna be a day of patriotism and coming together and highlighting the sacrifices and abilities ng Philippine Coast Guard. Exciting.
Go, Jay.
Yes.
Excited ka, Jay?
Of course.
Yes, sir. Nakatulog ka, Jay?
Syempre. Kailangan laging masarap yung tulog for days like this.
Today I officially I was lieutenant commander. Yeah. Now you have rank, sir.
Coast Guard is
Captain.
You breathing hard. What happened? You went up the stairs? Lahat tayo.
Same feeling.
So this is the Teresa Magbanwa.
I know.
I think Japanese ship, diba?
Yes, yes.
And then
Japanese?
Yes, sir.
they just came from like a 5-6 month deployment.
No problem taking pictures.
Yeah, they can go.
This is the Japanese one. Yes.
Dalawa, no?
I'm the money officer.
Oh, good to meet you, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Come aboard.
But to say, I'm very thankful na dito natin gagawin because at least through your platform and yung ibang media, we can highlight the sacrifices and heroic acts ng Philippine Coast Guard.
Sama ka sa hatihan.
Hindi ko, ginawa ko.
But the voice.
Okay.
And then you
Be happy, okay.
And that's the other side of Captain Gerald Anderson.
Be happy. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, ah.
Hello, how are you? How are you? Pinifeature natin si Jay.
Oo,
Thanks to you.
salamat ma'am kasi para pamarisan. I'm very proud. Ako, as an actor and as a brother in martial arts. Magaling mag-artist po.
Talaga?
Di ba artist na doon?
May show ginawa ako dati na puro arnis yung ginawa namin.
Nakatulong ba sa inyo yun, yung showbiz somehow to serve? I mean, for both of you.
Siyempre po.
Nakatulong? I mean,
Sa pagkatao?
namumulat talaga kayo sa...
Oh, yes ma'am. Siyempre, nakikita mo talaga.
Tayo yung mic mo.
Pero gusto mo kunin na.
No, you can.
Okay.
Sorry po.
Hindi ako napalundag doon.
Ang masama pag tumili kayo bigla. Oo.
Napalundag lang. Dalawa lang yun, mabuhat kita bigla.
Sen! Sen, bakit?
Yung ginawa ni Gerard, hindi yung para sa akin. Kasi maraming mga katulad ko na masasabi namin na kasi tingin ko sa kanya martial artist, huwag natin masyadong ilayo yung pagiging martial artist. Kasi kailangan hindi ganun.
Wow!
Pili ko naman.
Tita. Thank you.
Welcome to the Pier 13.
Kanya martial artist. Dahil una ko siyang nakilala, may dala siyang arnis stick. Mga touch ako noon. Tapos, kasi ano ako, FMA ako, may Filipino artista. Kasi kawawa ang artista ngayon, masyado. Dinadown.
Then the down ba?
Oh,
Hindi ko naman naramdaman. Ikaw
ako ramdam ko.
They will also promote.
Good morning.
Hi, Direk. Thank you, Direk.
Ito yun yung pinupush ko, sabi ko kahit yung Coast Guard na eh. Kasi hindi pa naka-feature eh, Coast Guard. Oo nga, lahat po ng assets, kita.
Sabi nyo kay Je.
Siyempre, very proud kami sa presidente ng DMC sa kanyang promotion today. Actually, sobrang honored namin today na kapunta dito at maimbitahan kasi first time ko mapunta sa headquarters ng Coast Guard. So, ibang feeling to, sabi ko nga sa kanya. Nakakatawa yung mga pinupuntahan natin pag-ride, no? Ito nga, dahil promotion ng El Presidente. Congratulations! Kami ang representative ng DMC to
Yes, sir.
support you. Kasi sila, direct tsaka si Kuya Sam nasa Canada pa. Yeah.
Masasabi mo kay Je, bro?
So, congratulations brother. Sobrang proud namin sa iyo. And congratulations sa promotion. Siyempre, we're here to support and represent the DMC dahil si Prati nga, tsaka si Sam nasa Canada, si Jake I think may work. So, siyempre, nandito ang DMC to support our president, DMC president, si Jerry. So, congratulations. We're very proud of you. And thanks for inviting us also. Sobrang natouch din kami at na-invite mo kami dito. Ang tanong ko lang, kung saan ba lalabas na vlog to? Sa DMC ba o sa page
Sa amin naman, bro.
Okay. Sabi niya, sa amin naman bro, palagi na lang sa inyo yung ine-edit ko.
Ako kinukongrats ko si RJ na captain ngayon. Super happy ako sa kanya. Lahat naman tayo naging happy, sobrang proud sa kanya. Sa lahat ng ginawa niya. Thank you.
It's a proud day where everyone around him, Shepard is very proud, and this is a great accomplishment for anyone, not even just for an actor, but for a Filipino, diba? And we're very proud that together with his partnership with the Coast Guard, he has used this platform for all the best intentions, for helping others, for promoting the Coast Guard, and for promoting the values of the Filipino soldier, I think, which is something that started with our show, tayong dalawa, from 15 years ago, and who would have thought that today I will be witnessing something like this, diba? It's really a shining moment, diba? Sa memory ko, sa core memory ko of him, of how he grew up to be this kind of a man, how he grew up to be a mature and responsible man, and a now soon to be Captain Gerald Anderson.
Congrats, Sam.
Congrats to him, congrats to you.
Nakita ko ngayon.
Sili na sa loob ni Mark. Si Jen.
So many people, important people showed up. How do you feel?
Yeah, very, very, Sina Sir Balido came out, kaka-retire lang, Senator Robin, and everybody else, you know. It just shows that, yung support means a lot. And you also support them when they need it, diba? So, vice versa, it's not a one-way street. Dapat tulungan lagi, and people come together for a great cause. And yun naman yung importante.
Congrats, Je.
Okay, thank you.
For the downing and oath-taking ceremony of Auxiliary Commander Gerald O. Anderson Jr., PCGA. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, may we request everyone to please rise for the invocation.
Auxiliary Captain Gerald Randolph O. Anderson Jr. and to warmly acknowledge the presence of a very special guest, Senator Robin Hood Ferdinand Carino. is not just about individual achievement. It is a powerful reminder of the strength and unity that define the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. As we will shortly witness the promotion of Auxiliary Captain Anderson,
the next higher rank of Auxiliary Captain effective this date, by command of Admiral Gavan, PCG. Official, Rear Admiral Hostilio Arturo E. Cornelio, PCG, Chief, Coast Guard Staff. Signed, Commander J. Sibel B. Ferrer, PCG, Coast Guard Adjutant.
Thank you very much. At this point, may we request Auxiliary Commander Anderson, sir, to please stand. And to don the ranks of Auxiliary Commander Anderson, may we request the Commandant of the Philippine Coast Guard, Admiral Ronnie Hill L. Gavan.
Paano yun? Parang artista din ako ngayon.
Oo, sir.
Araw po po kayo.
Labor of love yan.
Labor of love.
Congratulations, my friend. Guru.
Sir, kayo magtanggal ng cap.
Oo, yes, sir.
At si Julia ang maglalagay. And more to go.
Sige, isa-isayin natin yan. Tingnan natin.
The true embodiment of a PCGA wishes to support and complement the PCG when circumstances called for. He showcased the core values of PCG as first responders in the face of calamities, which merits recognition and corresponding promotion. Hence, Senator Robin Hood C. Padilla endorsed the promotion of Auxiliary Commander, now Auxiliary Captain Anderson, PCGA, to the next higher rank. A round of applause.
Distinguished officers, my fellow Coast Guard auxiliary members, family and friends, I stand here deeply honored and humbled by this recognition. Admiral Ronnie Gavan, sir, maraming salamat sa time. Alam ko, napakadami nyung inasikaso, lalo na po sa mga panahon na ito. But watching you, sir, in action sa situation briefing with the President for Typhoon Christine made me proud to be part of the Coast Guard and inspired me to do my part during that crisis. At ang tao sa likod ng promotion na ito, ang nag-file po ng resolution commending my acts during Typhoon Karina. Of course, si Senator Robin Padilla. Kasama ito. Hanggang ngayon, napaka-unbelievable po na ma-recognize ako ng idol ko, lalo na po sa ganitong circumstance. Ang hiling ko sana ay, sir, sana po makabutan yung pelikula. Kahit na ako po yung lagi bugbog sa isa, okay lang. Okay lang sa akin yan. Of course po yung mga bosses ko from ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, thank you. Thank you. Nagpunan namin lahat sa ABS. My mentor, Direk Roy Bayani, maraming salamat. So kung naging director ko ng tayong dalawa at tumaas po ng 300% yung recruitment ng PMA. Very proud and happy na nandito kayo. Salamat po. Miss Marjorie Barreto, Tita, maraming po salamat. Thank you for being here. Your presence means so much. Thank you. At syempre ako sa aking better half, si Ms. Julia Barreto. Thank you for always supporting me. Tinatanong ko lagi kung paano ko nagagawa sa buhay ko. Show business, basketball, mga Coast Guard duties ko. Siya po yung secret weapon. Yung pagiging supportive niya sa akin. I also want to thank retired Rear Admiral Armando Balilo. Sir Armando, andito po kayo. Sir, mula po nung pumunta tayo sa Marawi during the siege of Marawi to flying to Isabela during Bagyong Rolly for relief operation. Sa mga gift-giving natin sa Aita community in Zambales, hanggang sa pagtayo po natin ng quarantine facilities sa Caloocan during the pandemic. All I can say, sir, is maraming salamat sa servisyo niyo para sa ating bayan and enjoy your well-deserved retirement. Thank you, sir. Ang kasamaan ko po sa PCGA, newly promoted Commander Jennifer and Lieutenant Junjun Aniscal, yung dalawa po kanina. Sobrang grateful ako na may mga kasamaan ng katulad nyo. Isang tawag lang, kahit madaling araw pa yan, kung relief packing man yan o search and rescue mission, visiting Coast Guard substations as far as Romblon, always ready for duty. Kaya maraming salamat. Thank you. At syempre sa aking ama, retired US Navy Lieutenant Gerald Anderson, Sr. The original Gerald Anderson here. I might be the reason why the name Gerald Anderson is known all over the Philippines, but in my eyes, you will always be the original and the best that ever was. Kaibigan ko, DMC Group, maraming salamat sa lahat ng family and friends ko. I'll just keep this short. Honestly po, nagulat po talaga ako na nag-trending yung mga ginawa ko nung Typhoon Karina. Kahit nung nag-trending ako 15 years ago nung Pantoy. Nagulat po ako dahil it always felt natural for me to help others in need. I always felt compelled to lend a helping hand hanggang sa mga kaya. Hindi ko po ito sinasabi to boost my amazing, compassionate personality. But I'm saying this because I want to attribute these traits to my parents. Sila po nag-instill sa akin ng values of generosity, empathy, and service. I got from my father the sense of duty, and from my mother, generosity and empathy for people in need. Giving back is natural for me because of them. I also want to share this recognition sa lahat po ng volunteers and rescuers during Typhoon Karina and Typhoon Christine. Kayo po talaga yung mga totoong heroes dyan, and we are thankful for you guys. Kaya maraming salamat at maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At siyempre po sa aming bayani, Captain Gerald Anderson, sir. At siyempre po sa lahat po ng kasabay niya na binigyan po ng parangal. Medyo kailangan mo kong tulungan dito, Kapitan. Ano yun?
Commander.
Commander Jennifer Aniscal. At Lieutenant Jomar Aniscal. Maraming salamat po. At siyempre po, anak po ito eh. Si Auxiliary, enlisted ba yan? Ano yan?
Ensign.
Miss.
of course.
Anak ko yan, di anak din kita pala. Siyempre po, ang aking leading lady, Miss Marjorie. Ang aking big boss, ang Cory Daniel. Big boss. Bakit ganun ma'am, tumatanda ako, ikaw hindi? Bakit ganun yung nangyayari sa akin? Nagkamali yata ako ng pinasok na trabaho. At siyempre po, ang salamin natin, I was touched by the message of your son, sir. I miss my father because my father is my idol. You are his idol. Just my deepest respect. Kaya ako natutuwa kay Gerald. Nung una po kaming nagkita nito, may dala siyang arnis sa ABS. Pinuntahan niya ako sa dressing room, nagulat ako sa, yun po yung pabulusok sa pataas. Sabi ko, napaka-humble ditong batang ito. Tapos sinabi na, sir, nag-aaral ako ng arnis. Natouch ako kasi noong mga panahon na yan, alam nyo, yung mga ibang artista, masyadong foreign dayuhan ng kanilang martial arts. Pero itong batang ito, talagang anak ko na pala, arnis. Talagang alam nyo masyado akong ano sa arnis eh. Doon pala humanga na ako sa kanya. Pangalawa, yung pagiging artista niya, hindi niya tiningnan sa isang racket. Alam nyo, marami ho sa aming mga kasama sa industriya ang tingin sa pag-artista racket. Pero alam nyo, itong batang ito, seryoso ho sa kanyang mga project. Ba't ko nasabi yun? Kasi nagte-training siya. Hindi siya pumupunta sa isang proyekto na hindi siya trained. Noong gumawa siya ng sundalo siya, nag-training siya. At hanggang ngayon, siya pa rin ay trained. Itong batang ito, yung kanyang pinakitang pagkana, hindi parang sa ibang, kumbaga, marami kasi kami na actionista, sarili mo. Diba, kumakana ka dahil sarili mo. Pero ito kumanasan para sa ibang tao. Para sa akin yun ang action stars. Yun ang nagmamalasakit ka, kasikatan mo, pupunta ka sa tubig, di mo alam kung may kuryente doon, di mo alam kung ano nag-aantay sa'yo. Ginagawa niya yun, walang kapalit. Yun ang para sa akin ang totoong action star at sana pamarisan ng ibang mga nangangarap din na maging action star. Kumbaga po, yung buhay nila, literal po yun. Literal po na isinasang-alang-alang nila yung buhay nila. Ikaw man ang lumaki, sakit na lang eh. Kung anong tawag ba dun sa sakit na yun, nak? Ayun, buti na lang, magaling sila. Ayun, basta yun ako. Hindi ko na ulit eh. Yun po, sana tulungan niyo po kami na nasa showbiz din. Na meron din po kaming isang muka. At yung mukha na yun, magagamit niyo po para sa public information. Gamitin niyo po kami, gamitin niyo po sila. Gagawa po kami ng isang public information na pelikula at pabibidahan po ni Gerald. At ito po ay, ang paniwala ko, sasamahan tayo ng iyong boss. Yes po. Pwedeng wala yung boss mo nun. Para, kasi nakikita ko, sabi mo kanina, lahat ay dahil sa kanya. It's a love story eh. Yun lang po, bilang panghuling salita, tandaan po ninyo, ako po ay nakasuporta sa Philippine Coast Guard. Hindi po ako kumakawala. Kung ano po yung sinumpaan ko noon, nung ako ay nag-auxiliary hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po. Maraming salamat po, mabuhay po kayo. Congratulations.
In the Marawi siege, where you symbolized how risk can be involved in your acts of volunteerism was recognized. Up to the time that you volunteered yourself to lead your team to help us pack relief goods and send them to so many communities to be received by people whose faces you don't even know. Up to the time of Tropical Storm Karina, naunahan nyo lang sila ko, gusto ko sanang ganun din. But you know that act itself in particular has really symbolized what the youth can do. And foremost, what those who are already up there in our society can do. Symbolized that kaya mo eh. You have money, you're a star, but you went down, you risked your life to save the people on the street. That act alone has really ushered in a new era for the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. That indeed, the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary is not about ranks. It is not about uniform. It is about that real acts of volunteerism.
Hello, dearest Jack. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you, and it's really an honor to be here today. You know, I've always believed in you, and you deserve this and even more. So keep doing what you're doing.
Una po sa lahat, mga kababayan, ako po ay bumabati kay Gerald. Alam mo, tawagin na kitang anak. Ako ay siguro mas masasabi kong may makikita ako sa iyo na katangian na napaka-espesyal, na isang bagay na pwede natin talagang sa akin at sa mga taong alam kong maniniwala sa akin, ikaw talaga yung pwedeng maging simbolo ng kabataan natin ngayon, na handang magsakripisyo kahit na sikat, may pera, may magandang girlfriend, nasa iyo na lahat. Itataya mo para sa ibang tao. Kaya iba yun. Kaya ako ay kapitan. Saludo ako sa iyo.
Congratulations to a well-deserved promotions. Natutuwa ako sapagkat na-achieve mo na yung pagiging captain at naniniwala rin ako na may darating pa dyan. And kung alam lang ng lahat na napakalaki ng contribution mo sa mga civic action ng Philippine Coast Guard rescue operations. Hindi rin nila alam na minsan nalalagay sa panganib ang buhay mo, pero hindi ka tumitigil sa pagtulong sa mga kababayan natin na kailangang puntahan. At sana magpatuloy ka pa at marami ka pang matulungan. Congratulations!
Bro, congrats sa promotion. Yeah. Saan make it simple? RJ, congrats on your promotion. Pagpatuloy mo yung mga pinagagawa mo, ha? Yeah. Patuloy mo lang. Keep on swimming.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Again, thank you guys. Sana may napulot kayo kahit papaano na konting aral or whatever from today, inspiration. Dami mga inspirational people that came here today. And ako ay instrument or tulay lang. So, hope you guys enjoyed.
Congrats,
yes, sir.
Jay.
Yes, sir.
Really am proud of Gerald today. He's been honored for his integrity and his courage and, you know, his duty, devotion to duty. And so this is what matters in life, not how much in business or something, but how you are as a human being. And I'm very proud of him.
Hi, Captain Gerald! Congratulations on your promotion. We're so proud of you and we are behind you always.